Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are back in another video, and in this video we are covering the Azure wallet tracker, which is the wallet tracker right now I'm using. And in this video I will give you a tutorial about this tracker. So if we just click on the start menu, you can see there's a various of option right now here, and you can just see click on the add. First of all, you can add the various wallet. For example, if I just go to the follow page in the GMGN, and let me just see if the wallet is working on the last time. If you do some kind of transactions right now at the moment, so this is the guy right now that's doing the transaction. So let me just go back and click on the add and just paste it. See, right now it's just saying me add now. I can just add menu and demo 4 or 5, and yeah, so it will give me alert like this if anyone just swap the coin. So just wait for a moment and it will show me some alerts right now if anyone just switch the things, and I can give you the further detail. So these are some bots and their links. You don't need to mess with that, and if you just go to the manage, you can see how many wallets I have. You can add 50 plus wallets here, and it can show you some signal, and if you want you can add multiple wallets here, and yeah, so you can add just wallet number and dedicated bot. You can set the dedicated bot. You need to upgrade your plan, and you can refer your friend with this link. If I just copy this link, and you can just start and just claim your things, and if you just go to the upgrade button, you can just upgrade. So right now we don't want to upgrade or things like that, sort it out. And the settings that I am using right now here, these are the settings that I am using. The NFTs, buy and sell, but I don't usually use to buy and sell. Basically I just used to see some R&D, and yeah, so this is the thing that you need to know. After some time, if a transaction is happened right now, at the moment there is no transaction. If a transaction is happened right now, it will just update it. Right now there is no such a transaction, and yeah, if we manage to do some transaction right now at the moment, so then it will show you like this, the bot. I just name as the bot, bro. This is the bot wallet basically, so I just renamed as bot. So I can give you a demo. Right now there is a transaction around happened, so basically I can show you some bot wallet. So this is the bot wallet that it's showing you because there is no active wallet yesterday, so it's showing you this wallet. And if just a new wallet is just do some transaction right now at the moment, so it will show you some latest transaction. So let me just check. So right now at the moment there is nothing happening in this space. The only thing just it's doing is to just showing some bots transaction. If a legit transaction is happened at the moment, then it will show you. For example, if this guy just swap another coin, then it will show you some big things and clear pictures, and yeah, so this is the Bloom bot, and this is the all function of the Azure wallet tracker, and it's similar to like other wallets, other Telegram bots, and yeah, I really like to use it basically on the daily purposes. But for you guys, if you don't have a premium plan on Celio Finance, you can use it. You can add multiple wallets, and this is the alternative, guys. And I usually use the GMGN for trading purposes. So right now, yeah, see the buy checks bot just swap the radium and just showing you the checks coin. So this is the thing that you need to know. It's just showing you, just click on this, or you just click on the Trojan bot, just click on the start. You can buy anything, just buy with one soul. You need to just put your wallet address here and just send the amount. So this is for the video. Make sure you guys like, and this is a small video, and subscribe and follow me for more, and peace out.